Hi, and welcome to the NordicTrack Rower Series Assembly video. Follow these steps for the RW900 and RW700. Step 1. Assembly Tips. Assembly requires 2 people. Place all parts in a cleared area and remove the packing materials. In addition to the included tools, you will need the following: 1 Phillips screwdriver and 1 adjustable wrench. Do not use power tools and keep the rower unplugged during assembly. Step 2. Attach the front stabilizer. Before flipping the frame upside down, make sure the row bar is securely inserted into the row bar hook. With the second person, flip the frame upside down so that the shipping bracket is resting on your floor. Have the second person hold the frame steady until step 5 is completed. Orient the front stabilizer as indicated by the sticker and attach it to the frame with 2 M10 by 20 mm screws. Firmly tighten the screws. Step 3. Attach footrests. Attach the right footrest bracket to the right side of the frame with 4 M10 by 35 mm screws. Start all 4 screws, then go back and tighten them. Attach the right footrest bottom to the right footrest bracket with 2 M4 by 19 mm screws. Repeat this step for the left side of the rower. Step 4. Attach the rear stabilizer. Hold the rear stabilizer in the bracket on the frame and attach it with an M10 by 100 mm screw. Do not fully tighten the screw yet. Finish attaching the rear stabilizer with 2 M10 by 60 mm screws. Now go back and fully tighten the M10 by 100 mm screw. Step 5. Attach stabilizer cover. Avoid damaging the tabs on the stabilizer cover. Orient the stabilizer cover as shown and press it into the rear stabilizer and attach it with 4 M4 by 19 mm screws. Start all 4 screws and then go back and tighten them. Step 6. Remove shipping items. With the help of a second person, return the rower to the upright position. Remove and discard the wire tie that's attaching the main wire to the shipping bracket. Remove and discard the 2 shipping screws and the shipping bracket. Step 7. Attach console. Avoid pinching wires when attaching the console to the rower. Have a second person hold the console and insert the attached neck into the back of the frame. Attach the neck with an M10 by 40 mm screw. Do not fully tighten the screw yet. Finish attaching the neck with an M10 by 65 mm screw. Now go back and fully tighten the M10 by 40 mm screw. Connect the neck wire to the main wire. The connectors should slide together easily and snap into place with an audible click. If they don't, turn one connector and try again. Step 8. Attach neck shields. Orient the right and left neck shields as shown. Position the wires inside of the left neck shield as you press the neck shields together around the neck. Avoid pinching the wires. Press the neck shields into the right and left shields. Attach the neck shields to the neck with 2 M4 by 16 mm screws. Step 9. Attach the seat. Orient the seat as indicated by the sticker and slide it into the rail. Step 10. Attach rear rail bumper. Orient the rear rail bumper as shown and press it into the rail. Attach the rail end cover to the right and left rail shields with 2 M4 by 16 mm screws. Attach the rail end cover and the rear rail bumper to the rail with an M4 by 16 mm screw. Step 11. Attach the power adapter. Always plug the power adapter into the rower before you plug it into an outlet. Plug the power adapter into the receptacle on the front of the rower. After you have finished assembly, let's start with the onboarding process. Step 1. Turn the rower on. Once the rower power cord is plugged in, push the power switch to on. Step 2. Test the rower. Enter manual mode and proceed to test the rower resistance to ensure it is properly calibrated. Step 3. Connect to Wi-Fi. Exit manual mode and return to the main screen. Follow the steps on the screen to connect to Wi-Fi. Thank you for purchasing a NordicTrack rower.